One of the common realities of defense or competitive shooting is multiple targets and the transitions between them. And one of the biggest errors in that realm is something called over travel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your Viridian laser to see and identify this problem, start to correct it to make your transitions more effective.
This is the art of defense.
With multiple targets and target transitions, one of the big errors we want to watch out for is something called over travel. Over travel is when I'm moving from target 1 to target 2 that I actually extend past the target. What happens here now is I either have to come back, which decreases my time, or when I break off a shot, I don't hit it. Now, if you're a competitive shooter, this is kind of a problem because you've now lost the A zone, you've hit a different place, this reduces your time and your overall score. If you're a defensive shooter, this is even a bigger deal because now that round has been totally ineffective at protecting you and it may have hit somebody else. So here's how we can use our Viridian Weapon Tech laser to help condition us to do these transitions more effectively. What we would do is we would start up on target number 1, and you could do this dry. I always recommend people start dry and then work to live, but start with the target number 1, sights are aligned, finger on the trigger, slack is out. You would engage target number 1. From there, your eyes would move to engage what my next target is going to be, and I'm going to point my belt buckle right towards where our target that we're transitioning to. From here, we're going to bring the arms back to sight alignment, and as we do, we're going to decelerate, picking the finger back up on the trigger for slack out as we're landing on the target itself. What we can see is as we start to do this faster, are we engaging in over travel so that we can condition our brains and our bodies to start the deceleration into target number 2 at the right time. Practicing with tools like the Viridian laser in this kind of an environment can allow you to make the best actions possible when it counts.
This has been The Art of Defense, brought to you by Viridian Weapon Technologies. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.